Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Physics Cafe by Manjeet Kaur. In this video, we will know how we scan our attempt sheets and how we upload its PDF by using email ID. Dear students, as we all know, Punjab University Chandigarh exams always held in December and May. But in this year, due to pandemic, the exams of final year students were postponed. But now the exams will be started from 17th September. As we all know, the examinations will be online mode. So Punjab University Chandigarh gave us some important guidelines which we have to follow very carefully. So here we have some points. First point is कैंडिडेट क्वेश्चन पेपर सोल्व करने के लिए शीट्स यूज़ करेगा वो A4 साइज की ही होनी चाहिए. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज तो कैंडिडेट यूज मैक्सिमम ओनली 12 शीट्स नॉट मोर देन वन. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट कैंडिडेट स्कैन अटेम्प्ट शीट्स प्लस एडमिट कार्ड. बच्चे एडमिट कार्ड यू कैन डाउनलोड फ्रॉम यूनिवर्सिटी साइट. Then this admit card plus attempt sheets. You have to scan both these. Then admit card plus attempt sheets. You have to merge both of them into a single PDF. The last point is first page of PDF should be admit card. That means बच्चे जो आप डॉक्यूमेंट बनाओगे जो PDF बनाओगे उसका फर्स्ट पेज आपका एडमिट कार्ड ही होना चाहिए. So these are some points which we have to remember. Now we have question how to convert paper documents to PDF file and also upload it. To answer this question, we have to follow some steps. So let's start. Step number 1. Install Adobe Scan from Play Store. Dear students, Adobe Scan is a free tool and it's pretty simple to use. You can download it from Play Store. And step number 2, scan new image with your camera. And the last step is save its PDF and then share. Students, all these steps is just theoretical concept. But now we take some practical knowledge. So let's do a quick tutorial. Dear student, before we know about Adobe Scan, the candidate will be required to write all information on the first page of answer sheet. Here the first is university roll number in figures and here in words. Similarly, the second point is name of the student. The third is class or semester. That means if you are in BSc and if your semester is 6th, you can write BSc 6th semester. Here name of the paper which is your subject. If you take example that is condensed physics. Similarly, code of the paper which you given in your question paper, and here you can write number of sheets which you used in the paper. Here you can sign and here date of the exam. So this is the important information which you have to write on your first page of your answer sheet. You can install Adobe Scan from Play Store. Because I already installed it, dear student, you will need to sign your Adobe account for this, and you can use any email ID which you always use. Now, to scan a timesheet, to capture image, just tap the camera icon and line it up to as much of the screen as possible. Here the image is not clear, so we have to retake like this. You again here it automatically capture. From here you can adjust the borders of your page. From here you can continue for the second page. Similarly for the next page, it automatically capture. You just hold steady. From here you can again adjust the borders of your page. Again click continue. So like this you can repeat as needed until you have captured all the pages. So again I click continue. So from here you can also import documents from your existing photo library. Now you can tap the little pencil icon up top if you want to rename the document. So now let's rename the document. Let's take its name Advanced Physics. Now from here click OK. Now these are the number of pages which we add. Dear students, across the bottom there are edit icons from left to right. First is add page. By using this you can add number of pages. Similarly, this is reorder. By using this you can rearrange the pages like this. Okay. Similarly you can crop the image like this, and this is rotate 90° clockwise. This is for color and this is for cleanup, and similarly this is for resize and this is for delete icon. If you have to delete any page you can click here and it will automatically delete from your document. Now we know the candidate will be require all the information in this document. So before we merge this document to a PDF, we must add here admit card. So to add admit card we must take it from select photos. That is my admit card. You can choose its color from here. Now the first page, as we know, the first page of the document is its admit card. So from here we rearrange. So that is our document. Now when all done, that is save PDF. So tap save PDF in the right corner. have to wait. Finally, you share your attachment with the email ID which you provided by the Punjab University, Chandigarh. From here, you can add PU Chandigarh. Here, you can add your roll number as subject 141 2 0, something like that. And from here you can send your email to Punjab University, Chandigarh, and this is your document. So these are the basic steps to convert your answer sheet into PDF. So thank you for watching my video. Like my video and subscribe my channel.